Welcome to our AMG Dykman Industrial Training Institute. The AMG Dykman ITI was started in 1992 to help the poor and downtrodden people and make them settle early in their lives. With the above thought, the great people Dr. S. John David and Dr. H. H. Dykman together started this ITI in 1992. Initially, it was started with few trades and now it was developed into 10 trades. Every year, admissions will held in during July-August. The examinations will be conducted at the end of the year. Regarding training, students make practicals in the workshops. Sewing technology. This is 1 year course and students will learn cutting of cloth, sewing, embroidery and doll making. Draftsman Civil. Students will learn building construction, building plans and survey. Chain survey and leveling instrument. Refrigeration and air condition mechanism. In this trade, students will learn air condition mechanism and refrigerators mechanism. This is a 2 year course. Automobile mechanism. This is 2 year course. The students will learn the mechanism of petrol engines and diesel engines. Electrician. This is also 2 year course. In this trade, the students will learn different types of wiring and study of all types of motors and generators mechanism. Welder. This is 1 year course. Students will learn electric arc welding, gas welding and grinding of metals and make different types of articles. Electronics and Communication. This is 2 year course. Students will learn about mechanism of electronic equipment and mobile mechanism. diesel mechanic. This is 1 year course. In this trade, the students will learn about mechanism of all diesel engines and vehicle servicing. Fitter. This is 2 years course. In this trade, the students will learn metal filing, metal cutting and drilling. And also they make different items. Turner. This is 2 years course. In this trade, the students will learn working on lathe machines, cutting of metals and threading, drilling and making different spare parts. Besides the practical training, students will do garden work and play games. During the training, students will make different types of models and projects as per their course. We have also conducted industrial trade exhibition in which all the trades exhibited their practical model projects. All the students of the Guntur district ITIs and visited their exhibition. 3,000 students and staff visited. The director of the state, Sri Dharmaraju Garu, visited the exhibition and appreciated. Industrial Training Apprentice. After completion of the course, students will go to nearby industries for apprentice training for 1 year. After 1 year, they will be given permanent jobs. To some of the students, the management helped to establish their own units according to their course of training. They are well settled. Own units. Mr. Junil. He has studied refrigeration and air condition, has started his own unit and developed a big showroom and big workshop. He is assembling air conditioners and refrigerators. Sarada. Mrs. Sarada, she has studied cutting and sewing course. With the help of AMG, started her own unit and well settled. Dr. M. Sunil Babu, fitter trade. He is working in rocket launching station, earning 40,000 per month. He came from small village and his family status is very poor. He has no father. Now he is only supporting for entire family. Dr. Y. Ashok Babu, automobile trade. Now he is working in Ford Fiesta company. He also came from Chirumavilla village. He also have no parents. Now he is supporting to his family members. He is earning 25,000 per month. Mr. G. Subbarao, son of Ramaya, electrician. Now he is working in Andhra Pradesh Power Generating Company as electrical supervisor. He also came from very poor family. Both parents are daily wage laborers. He is earning 20,000 per month. Thus the aim of the donors, Dr. S. John David and Dr. Arun Kumar K. Mahanti, to help and settle the poor students is fulfilled.